Meanwhile, the Cannabis Licensing Authority is defending itself. The authority says it facilitated the imports of ganja in accordance with the law. The CLA says it has so far approved 4 authorizations for ganja imports and 224 export requests. More in this report from Prince Moore.
In a statement yesterday, the CLA responded to the uproar among the parliamentary opposition and participants in the local ganja industry over the importation of the drug from Canada, which they view as a hindrance to the growth of the fledgling local industry. Industry and Commerce Minister Aubin Hill yesterday revealed that the importer is a Jamaican company with 5 startups for which the ganja is being imported. He said the strains being imported are not available locally. Mr. Hill also stated that the weight of the shipment is more than 100 kilograms. The CLA did not give details on the shipment, but said the dangerous drugs regulations empower it to grant permits for the importation, export and transshipment of ganja in quantities determined by the authority based on each application. It further explained that each authorization issued to a licensee permits a single consignment as required by the Single Convention on Narcotic Drugs 1961, to which Jamaica has acceded. The CLA says the request from the Jamaican company was made in full compliance with the applicable regulations and international treaties, and it is against that background that the import authorization was granted. Noting its mission to facilitate growth and development in the local medical ganja market, the authority says it will continue to refine its administrative procedures in the implementation of the provisions of the regulations. The CLA facilitates the cultivation, processing, distribution, sale and transportation of ganja for medical, scientific and therapeutic purposes.